Assalamualaikum. I hope everyone is okay. In this video, I'm going to show you a client project of mine. It is a soundproofing and interior design based company, and I designed the company profile for them. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can design the layout by yourself, or if you want, I can share a link in the description. You can get this whole template with the content and other elements also, and the editable Figma file. Okay, so let me reveal. This is the first page. We called it our uh, cover page. Here, a logo, a company profile details, and is eye-catchy uh, design of your previous work sample. We can share here, and this is the first contact information. And here we can put the table of content. This is the summary of every pages and the numbers what are we are focusing here, and this is the executive summary you can put in your profile to summarize your whole profile or your business at a glance. So this is the value proposition, I mean the core value of your companies you can offer. There are five core values I have provided here with icons and little heading and a short description, and this is also a paragraph for the company and another paragraph at the bottom. And here is the vision and mission statement, why you are operating your company and what you are looking for to providing your clients with this services you are offering. This is the mission and vision statement, and here this is also another core value, and this is the value proposition. The client want me these two different side. One is core value and another is value proposition. There is a slightly difference between these two elements. You can find this content as well for research and to use in your profile. And this is our services area, what kind of services you are basically offering for your client. This is the short glance you want to show in short in one page, and here these are the details services modules about this company. So I have designed this multiple format or elements in graphics for the companies, and here I have also shared some their previous project details. That's why it will look more catchy and believable for the new customers. And here our projects and cliently, this is the another section of the business profile, and this is the sustainability and corporate responsibility. Why, what kind of what kind of services you are offering for the environment also, for your government also. And here this is the little details about the owner or the CEO of the company and why he is passionate about this services. This is the page, and here you can add our previous project elements like images. You can make it more uh, catchy. I just put in simple way. If you want this simple look, you can just click here and change the images if you want, if you are going to use this template. And here at the end, this is, I'm not going to show you the other details of my customer. That's why I just hide the last area. This is the back page. So that's all for a ideal and mid companies company profile. There are three different font pages I have used, but if you are going to get this template in Figma, I will show you only one. I will share only one font page here. So that's all for a company profile.